algebra, quadratic functions! Now, I think I know what some of you might be thinking. Quadratics? That sounds crazy!
But don't worry. Today, we're not just going to look into numbers or memorize formulas.
We're going to make math come alive using our favorite educational app, Desmos.
Desmos! Desmos is a super cool online graphing calculator that lets us visualize equations instantly.
Instead of drawing graphs by hand and erasing mistakes over and over, we will just type an equation and watch the graph dance right before our eyes.
By the end of this vlog, you will understand how quadratic equations y equals ax squared plus bx plus c creates those beautiful U-shaped curves called parabola.
Now, let's jump into the exciting part, exploring quadratic functions using Desmos. If you are using a laptop, just open your browser and type www.desmos.com. Once it's loading, just wait a bit. Sometimes it takes a few seconds, and when the page is ready, click on Graphing Calculator. After clicking, you'll see a big blank grid with an x-axis and y-axis. That's your graphing space. But if you are using a phone, which most of us students probably are, you can either open Desmos on your browser or even better, download the Desmos Graphing Calculator app from the Play Store or App Store. Again, let's open our browser and type on the search bar www.desmos.com. Once it's open, you will see a blank grid and a space where you can type equations. Now, let's try typing this equation. Y is equal to x squared. Now, did you see that? A U-shaped curve appeared. That's called a parabola, the graph of a quadratic function. Now, here's something cool. If you want to hide or make a graph disappear for a while, just click the colored circle beside the equation. So now, let's make it disappear for a while. Let's try this equation. Y is equal to 2x squared. See what happened? The parabola became narrower. That means when the number before x squared, which we call a, gets bigger, the graph becomes thinner. Now, let's try this equation. Y is equal to 0.5x squared. This time, it's wider. So when the number gets smaller, the parabola spreads out. And what if we make it y is equal to negative x squared? Look! It flipped upside down. That's because a negative sign in front makes it open downward. Cool, right? So remember, if a is big, the parabola became narrower. If a is small, it's wide. If a is negative, it flips down. Now, let's add more to our equation. Let's type y is equal to x squared plus 4x plus 3. What do you notice? The graph moved. That's because the other number, b and c, help move the parabola around. b moves it left or right, and c moves it up or down.
Wow, that was awesome, right? We just turned what used to be scary equations into something exciting and easy to understand.
So using Desmos, we saw how each number in y is equal to ax squared plus bx plus c can make our parabola move.
It can stretch, flip, go up, or slide across the graph. See, quadratics aren't that hard when you see them in action. It's like giving life to numbers.
The best part is, you're not just memorizing formulas. You're actually exploring how math behaves.
So the next time you open Desmos, don't be afraid to experiment. Try different values, make the graph move, and enjoy discovering how math shapes the world around us.
Learning math doesn't have to be boring. It can be creative, exciting, and fun. Great job today, everyone. Keep that curiosity burning, and let's keep making math enjoyable.